So this Friday will be a big day for Jamaica's Reggae Girlz as they play at home for the first time since their historic run all the way to the second round of the World Cup. We understand that the announcement has come that all women's Premier League teams and all schoolgirl football teams will be allowed inside the stadium free to boost support for the girls. Still, I'm far away from my maverick suggestion to open the gates of the bleachers completely to all and sundry. Make this Friday a double-barrel mission to celebrate and honor the girls for their World Cup performance, as well as to support the girls in this crucial Olympic qualifier against Canada. We at the JFF say they have bills to pay, so they cannot completely fly the bleachers gate. But if they don't fly the gate and end up with an empty bleachers, those bills will still have to be paid. So I am still saying, fly the gate, get 10 to 15,000 fans inside the stadium to help the girls across the line against Canada. You still have the bills to pay, but at the end of the day, you will feel better same way.